parrot who forgot his colors. Pico the parrot had bright red, green, blue, and yellow feathers. He loved showing off. "Look at me," he said proudly. One morning, Pico woke up gray. No colors at all. He cried by the river. "Where are my colors?" A monkey saw him. "Pico, what happened?" "I lost my colors." "Now no one will like me," Pico said. The monkey smiled. "Don't worry. Let's play." Pico helped a baby bird stuck in a bush. "Thank you," chirped the bird. A green feather returned. He gave fruit to a thirsty deer. "Wonderful, Pico," said the deer. A blue feather appeared. Pico helped ants carry food to their hill. The ants cheered. A red feather returned. He fixed a nest and cheered a sad turtle. He guided lost fireflies back home. More and more colors came back. Soon, Pico shone in all his bright feathers again. The animals clapped. "You are beautiful, Pico." Pico said, "I learned something today. True beauty shines through kindness, not just looks."